Let's get into the cook-up. I'm going to start off with a melody in D minor. I'll speed up the footage here to save time. Here's what I came up with.
It don't make sense to sit here all day doing nothing. So yeah, I'll have that time.
Let's get into the cook-up.
Grand Rising, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Glo-Life is Zay, aka Zay. And currently today is Saturday. And right now, we at a truck stop. We just got done filling, and we just spent $372.66 worth of money, but we got 119 gallons to be all exact. But I don't know if y'all can see that behind me, but 376.66. That's just what it is, guys. But right now, we only like 400 miles away, or 380 miles away to be exact. I'm not really sure because, you know, I'm not in my truck right now. Yeah, it say 404 right now. But yeah, guys, we ain't got that much long ago. I've been driving for over a little bit, close to an hour. And yeah, ain't nothing to really look at because, you know, it's still dark outside. The sun's slowly coming up right now. It's currently 6:40 a.m. out here. I started driving around like 5. So yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in a second. Let me go ahead and get my fuel receipt, and I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. Right now, we down to 329 miles. We got 5 hours and 7 minutes left until we actually get there. Right now, we currently climbing these little hills. They not mountains, but they hills, but it's kind of trying to slow me down. But you know, they can't never slow your boy down. Why? Because at the end of the day, I'm gonna drive. You know, goal is get to our destination just so we can drop off on Monday at a reasonable time, which I'm already be there. Then he already pre-booked me for Monday, but I don't know what it is yet, only because I ain't looked at my phone yet. I seen it, but I ain't really looked at it, guys. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that like button. And yeah, guys, be climbing hills. boy just crossed over to Tennessee. We down to 271 miles. Man, I feel like we rolling, but it's taking a long time to get there, guys. Which it shouldn't be, because I only have 404 miles to travel. Well, since I first made my intro, and we only down to 270, but it takes 120 miles to really drive 2 hours, because every 60 miles is like an hour, guys. So I guess I am rolling pretty fast. It don't seem like it, because when you mountain climbing, but really it's really the hills, but it feel like mountain. They both feel the same. It's just you ain't got no percentage drop. But yeah, guys, it be taking forever sometimes. But other than that, we out here in Tennessee. We out here in Julico, Julico, Tennessee. Never heard of it before, but it just is what it is, guys. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all. Your boy out here in Nyota, Tennessee. We got 171 miles to go. Finally, we under that 200 mark. We got 2 hours and 43 minutes left to complete this drive. And we got 3 hours and 42 minutes left of driving before we have to take a 30-minute break. But your boy gonna be there before the 30-minute break. And I'm probably gonna pull over to a truck stop. Then probably drive like 30 miles in the morning, maybe 45 miles in the morning, only because it's easier to drive it in the morning versus trying to deal with the Atlanta traffic, because it's never fun, guys. But man, guys, your boy is almost done completing this drive. It's been a very exciting drive. Why I say that? Because, man, climbing the mountains, it make you want to just turn back around. I ain't gonna lie to you. But, man, we almost here, man. We almost here. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It helps my algorithm out. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. And that subscribe. Get close to that 300 mark for the giveaway. But yeah, guys. I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, your boy finna walk into this pilot. From what y'all can see, your boy finna go take a shower, because we ain't gonna spend a night at no truck stop. We finna go spend a night at a Walmart. Only reason why, because they have better food options, better choices. When you sleep at a truck stop, they only give you McDonald's, Subway, Wendy's. You know, driving on the road, you don't want to eat that every weekend. That stuff be nasty. But at the end of the day, we is here. We out here in Georgia. We not in Carterville yet, but that's where we headed to. We're gonna go to Carterville, Georgia. We're gonna be at a Walmart. We're gonna chill there, guys. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. We is headed to a Walmart. You see your boy just got done getting a little refreshing up. Nothing major, nothing too crazy. We got 30 minutes, which is 32 miles to be exact. Right now we out here in Reseca, Georgia. So we almost there. We ain't got that much longer to go. Like we was at a pilot, but we finna go to a Walmart that's gonna be a little close. But you know, it's cool to be right here only because I ain't trying to get too close, only because that traffic guys. And this the one that say overnight parking, so you always want to be on the safe side, being a truck driver. So yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. Your boy finally made it to a Walmart. You really can't really see too much on it. Said too much on it. Really see too much because you know I'm still in the truck, but you know but y'all know how I do it. But yeah, guys, we here. It's a lot of people shopping today because it's a Saturday. I didn't think it was that many people over here shopping like that. Cause it's a Walmart and the Lowe's connected together. And you got a GameStop. You know, your boy love the games, but you know, I don't never get too sidetracked because at the end of the day, you're never supposed to worship anything. I don't care if it's jewelry, I don't care if it's video games, I don't care if it's your job, cars, houses. Never supposed to worship nothing. Why? Because when you start worshiping, you lose yourself. So at the end of the day, appreciate everybody tuning in. This your boy Glo-Life Zay, aka Zay. Until next time, peace and love and happiness. Go.